Hi, welcome to YY Art Place. Today in this video I'll show you step by step how to draw Loopsy Noodle from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. You can also follow along on paper or iPad. If the video goes too fast or too slow, just pause or adjust the speed in the settings. Let's get started. That's it. That's how you draw Loopsy Noodle. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.